Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for electrical and electronics graduate, electronics and communication graduate, instrumentation graduate, and even IC graduates can also make use of the video. And name of the company is Electronics Corporation of India Limited. So they are released a call fair for almost 300 posts in various locations. Interested candidates can make use of it. So once you go to the official website of Electronics Corporation of India Limited, you can see this page. If not, also I will be giving the advertisement PDF in the description. So once you click the link, you can see the detailed information about the job. So when you go to official website, you have to choose the option called career. Choose the icon career. So you will be getting various options. Out of it, you can choose human resources or e-requirement. Anything you can choose. If you choose human resources, you will be directed to this page, and from here you have to choose e-requirement. So you have to choose e-requirement. So you will be directed to this page. So now we are going to download the PDF for technical officer on contract position against the advertisement. So you have to click on this link. Once you click the link, the PDF will be downloaded. Now we will be go through what details they have been said in the advertisement. So starting date for applying is 11/12/2021 and last date is 21/12/2021. So kindly make use of it. Detailed information and how to apply, post details, mode of selection, all the things will be clearly mentioned here. So whichever you are having doubt, you can just click it and clarify all your doubts. Now we will be going, just click apply for technical officer on contract position. So you will be opening a PDF. So the company is calling for a dynamic experience and result oriented person for the following position purely on contract basis for a period of 1 year. And name of the post is technical officer on contract basis. 300 posts is available. Contract period is 1 year and age limit is up to 30 years and salary they will be giving is 25,000 per month. So here if you see, means in the first year they will be giving 25,000, in second year 28,000, third year and fifth year it will be gradually increasing for 31,000. So it's a good increase, right? So you can make use of it, and you will also be having other benefits like you will be eligible for TADE and other benefits of policy also will be available, and the contract period will be 1 year which might be extendable up to 5 years depending upon your performance. So other essential qualification is you must have first class engineering degree in electronics and communication engineering, electrical electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, computer science engineering, information technology with a minimum of 60% of mark in aggregate from any of the recognized university. Experiences, the candidate should have minimum 1 year of post qualification experience, that to 6 months experience in industrial too. So kindly read these things. So whichever is apt and applicable, you can make use of it. And mode of selection will be 80% will be from your whatever mark you secure in B or BTech, and 20% from your work experience. And how the 20% is divided, they have clearly mentioned here. In case if any tie between class 12 followed by 10th, the date of birth shall be considered for arriving the final merit. And shortlisted candidates will be called for document verification at New Delhi Zonal Office, and candidate will be shortlisted in the order of merit based on their aggregate mark obtained in the degree as per the required qualification, and number of will be in the ratio of 1:2. So read all the informations carefully before applying the job. And if you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to electronics and communication people, electrical and electronics people, and instrumentation people and IC people. It will be a great helpful for them. And do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.